Hey guys, welcome back. It's my favorite time of the year and I'm so excited to finally share with you all my decorated Christmas tree. I went with the snowflake theme this year because I love the snow and found a really pretty snowflake ribbon that inspired my theme. I wanted my tree to be neutral glam with the colors this year, so I used silver, white, and a touch of champagne. Decorating a tree can be time consuming, especially picking out the right pieces in stores, so by the time I got home after shopping for the tree, it was time for lunch. I didn't want my family to be hungry, so I went ahead and made a delicious, quick, and easy meal. Before we get started into decorating the tree, I wanted to mention today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. HelloFresh delivers weekly meals straight to your door with easy-to-follow step-by-step recipes complete with nutritional information and fresh pre-measured ingredients to help you get started making your delicious meals in no time. This month, HelloFresh has a current discount for 9 free meals. To sign up and take advantage of this amazing offer, go to www.hellofresh.com and use my coupon code LGQUEENHOMEDECOR9. Each meal comes with all pre-measured ingredients and each bag is labeled on the outside so you can easily pick the meal you want to make. You don't have to worry about anything going bad because the box comes with these huge ice packs that keep the meats and ingredients cold meanwhile they arrive to you. HelloFresh is really customizable to your family lifestyle. You can build your plan from all meat, veggie, family-friendly, or low-calorie. Pick the number of recipes you want per week and pick 2 or 4 servings for your family. We picked the 4 servings meal because we also have our little girl and we like to make extra when cooking to store in the fridge and take out for the next day. My family and I love pasta, so when we saw the chicken sausage and spinach ricotta ravioli meal choice on their website, we had to try it out. Following the step-by-step directions on how to prepare this meal, I started on washing and cutting the fruits and veggies, and they even show you with pictures how it's supposed to look. This meal took about 30 minutes to make, and it was really fun getting to learn how to make something new for my family to try. There are many 5-star recipes to try out from HelloFresh. They're really flexible to fit your lifestyle. You can add extra meals for your weekly order, desserts, garlic bread, or even cookie dough. How amazing and convenient is that, you guys? It's a total win-win. When I told my husband about HelloFresh, he wondered what it would be like just like I did, and now that we've tried it, we couldn't recommend it enough. The smell was amazing and the taste was even better. This is my husband's plate. He ate everything here and went for seconds because of how good it was. My toddler loved it as well, and I was blown away at how fresh the ingredients were that it was truly a delicious meal. I will leave the link to check out HelloFresh along with the 9 free meal code in my description box. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it just as much as we did. Thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. This is the first year we have an artificial tree and we absolutely love it. The flock in this tree is so pretty, and even though it does have a little bit of fallout, it's worth it, and I just vacuumed it up right away. My husband went ahead and put the tree up for me, so I began fluffing each branch out. The tree already comes with LED lights, so this made it even easier to get straight to decorating. To get started with decorating my tree, I made sure each branch of the tree was nice and fluffed out. This also helps to see if there are any gaps to be filled up using ornaments, picks, garland, or ribbon. For the bottom of the tree, I wanted to make a mountain of snow effect as if the tree was sitting on snow, so what I did was add some pillows under the tree and place the faux fur throw on top and curve the throw to make a circle shape around the tree. Now it's time to add these ornaments. I placed the larger ones first to fill in any gaps and have nice statement pieces. I bought these from Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. Next, I added medium-sized ornaments, and I went with these white sparkly pieces because I'm going for a snowflake theme on my tree. The inspo behind the theme was from a beautiful snowflake ribbon you'll see later on in the video. I scattered the white ornaments all around the tree and followed by adding these glittered silver ornaments I found from Dollar Tree. I thought they were too pretty to pass up and for such a great price. I added ornaments of all sizes so that when you look at the tree you don't see just one shape, but you see layers of all shapes and sizes. This really helps to complement each of the pieces. These acrylic icicles are some of my favorites to have, whether it's for a tree or a garland. They make such a beautiful glam addition, and I scattered them throughout. I've never seen snowflake rhinestone ornaments, so I definitely had to purchase these. They're from Hobby Lobby. I bought a couple of them and I just put them throughout the tree for that extra sparkle. Here's where the inspiration came from. I bought this white snowflake ribbon from Costco. I knew instantly that this was going to be my theme on my tree and in my house decor. The silver glitter snowflake ribbon is from Dollar Tree, and what I did to make an even whiter ribbon is cut 2 pieces of the silver ribbon, 1 white ribbon, and place it in the middle of the silver ribbon pieces. Then I folded the top of all 3 pieces twice and did the same for the bottom of the ribbon. You can hot glue all the pieces together if you think that would be easier for you, but this method worked out faster for me because I was on a mission to get this tree done in a day. Now all you do is stick the ribbon in the tree and add as much as you want. You can make the ribbon longer and go straight down from top to bottom, or have the pieces diagonal like I have them. For the finishing touches on the tree, I wanted to have something really glam and make a statement to complete the look I was going for, so I made my own tree topper. The picks are from Hobby Lobby. This was super simple to do. Honestly, I had no idea if this was going to look like what I had pictured in my head, but I gave it a go and started placing the picks one by one at a time. I made it form a rainbow, and then when I added all of the long picks, I added the smaller ones to make it look fuller. That's it, super simple, and you can make this 100% your own using colors you're decorating with. The outcome is absolutely beautiful. I hope you take something from today's video and incorporate it in your tree decorating. I would love to see how you style your Christmas trees. You can tag me on Instagram at LGQUEEN Home Decor. This beautiful tree itself is from King of Christmas. It's the 8-foot king flock tree with warm white LED lights. Since I have this snowflake theme, I didn't want to add too much on the tree, but something that was just enough and beautiful. You can fill up your tree as much as you want with your favorite ornaments, picks, and ribbon. I personally love the look of a flock tree, so I didn't want to cover all of its beauty with decorations. For the centerpiece on the coffee table, I added white and mercury glass trees, a deer, and an arrangement in one of my favorite vases. The flock picks are from Dollar Tree, then I added a small glitter pick in the center like the one on the Christmas tree, then I added silver poinsettias. I'm so excited to share my tree with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. I have many more winter holiday decor to share, so make sure you're subscribed and click the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, don't forget to check out HelloFresh and take advantage of their 9 free meals deal. The link is in my description box along with my code. I'll talk to you all very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for your love and support. It never goes unnoticed. Take care.